Antarctica, a place of extremes where temperatures drop to record lows and the vast icy expanse seems untouched by time. But beneath its pristine surface lies a ticking time bomb. Scientists are uncovering alarming changes that could reshape not just Antarctica, but the entire planet. From melting ice shelves to hidden ecosystems, this frozen continent is revealing secrets that carry a dire warning. Today, we dive into the surprising discoveries in Antarctica's climate crisis and what they mean for humanity's future. Antarctica's ice shelves, massive floating extensions of glaciers, are under attack from below. Warm ocean currents are creeping beneath these frozen giants, melting them from the inside out. This is especially alarming because ice shelves act like dams, holding back glaciers that flow into the ocean. Without them, these glaciers speed up, adding billions of tons of ice to the sea every year. Take the Thwaites Glacier, ominously nicknamed the Doomsday Glacier. It's losing ice at an unprecedented rate, threatening to destabilize the entire West Antarctic ice sheet. If that happens, global sea levels could rise by over 3 meters, flooding major cities and displacing millions. The question isn't if, but when. These melting ice shelves are more than a regional problem. They're a global crisis waiting to unfold. But Antarctica isn't just ice and snow. Beneath its frozen surface lies a hidden world, subglacial lakes teeming with life. Take Lake Vostok, buried under 4 kilometers of ice. Scientists have discovered microbial ecosystems thriving in this extreme environment, completely isolated from the surface for millions of years. These life forms could hold clues to how life might exist on other planets, but they're fragile. Rising temperatures could disrupt these unique ecosystems, erasing a part of nature's history before we fully understand it. Antarctica's hidden lakes remind us that this continent is more than a frozen wasteland. It's a living, dynamic environment. Antarctica holds about 60% of the world's fresh water, locked in its ice sheets. As this ice melts, it directly contributes to rising sea levels. Already, coastal cities are feeling the effects. Higher tides, more frequent flooding, and eroding shorelines. But the worst is yet to come. If the West Antarctic ice sheet collapses, the resulting sea level rise would be catastrophic. Entire nations could disappear beneath the waves. Jakarta, New York, Miami. These cities are on the front lines of this unfolding crisis. This isn't just about rising water, it's about the lives and livelihoods of billions of people. Paradoxically, warming temperatures are leading to increased snowfall in some parts of Antarctica. Warmer air holds more moisture, resulting in heavier snowstorms in localized regions. But this doesn't mean Antarctica is gaining ice. In fact, the continent is losing ice overall. While some areas experience more snowfall, the mass loss from melting glaciers far outweighs these gains. It's a temporary and deceptive reprieve in a much larger problem. This shifting weather pattern is yet another sign of a climate system in distress. As Antarctica's ice melts, another hidden threat emerges: ancient carbon. Trapped in permafrost for thousands of years, this carbon is being released as the ground thaws, adding CO2 and methane to the atmosphere. This creates a dangerous feedback loop. The more ice that melts, the more greenhouse gases are released. The more greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, the faster the planet warms. It's a vicious cycle that could accelerate climate change beyond our ability to control it. Antarctica isn't just a frozen continent at the bottom of the world. It's a warning system for our planet, a mirror reflecting the consequences of our actions. The changes happening here are a wake-up call. We need to act now. Support policies that reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Advocate for renewable energy. Raise awareness about the urgent need to protect this fragile region. The fate of Antarctica is tied to the fate of humanity. Will we listen to its warning, or will we let this icy frontier slip away, taking our future with it? The choice is ours. Antarctica's story isn't over. Together we can write the next chapter, a chapter of preservation, innovation, and hope.